Hi guys, just want to show you something I've been working on. I got an Auto, so I thought I'm gonna try to create the flappy paddle kit. However, I don't justify paying so much money online, so I came up with those two bad boys. I've made it myself. Obviously, it's a work in progress. However, I just need your opinion. What do you think? And do you think it's a good idea to carry on this way? Obviously, I'm going to make them look much prettier. So this will be the rear, and that will be the front. No, the other way around. I'm sorry. So I'll show you how it looks. Basically, just give me a second. Right. Okay. Here we go. So the whole idea is, I've done the wiring and everything else. The whole idea is to be either like with double sticky tape. Let me get it right for you. To get it here, if you can see it. And I'm working now on some kind of paddles. So it's like this, and then you just kind of pull them. The way I've created it, I'm not going to bypass my switches here, the micro switches. I'm just gonna go with a piggyback it. So technically, I think that's the term, I'm not sure. Technically, it will still be able to be shifted from here once you switch to the Tiptronic. But meanwhile, I'll be able to use this lot here. So that is the project now. I mean, sorry, just shit video I'm doing at the moment. As you can see, it's very simple, very basic. It's all about micro switches and wiring. And once it's done, I'm gonna keep it posted. Here we go. So that's one here, and that'll be the one for the rear. Ignore my CD player, it's absolutely a mess. I bought one of them cheap Chinese, what they called, touch screens. However, when I connect it, I can't get the sound going, so I have to disconnect it and go back to my old head unit, and I need to look into that. So here you go, that's the other one. That should be located, I think the cables, I should have done them to be coming out on the other side, but that's literally plug and play the way I've done it. So that should be the other one. I just have to find the right place to position it and find the feathers, and you just do it from here. Let me know what you think, and come back to me with if you have any ideas or any suggestions. I really appreciate it. I'll keep you posted. Right.